Hi, second grade friends. This is our math video today. Today we're going to talk about borrowing when we have zeros in the middle and how to work those problems out. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, today, well, we know, where do I start when I'm subtracting? Exactly. We always start in my ones, don't we? So I have 6 minus 5. So 6 minus 5, I know, is 1. So I'm going to line my 1 up right down below. So there you can see it's right there. 0 minus 2. Wait a minute. Can I take 0? If I have 0 on my top and I have 2 down here, I want to eat 2 cookies, but I don't have any cookies to eat. Can I do that? No, I can't. So I have to come over into my hundreds, and I have to cross this out and make it a 1. And then I have to bring back and cross my 0 and make it a 10. I'm borrowing from there. Okay, so now I want to eat 2 cookies and I have 10 cookies. Can I do that? You're right, I can, can't I? So I have 10 and I take away 2. So 10 minus 2. You're right, that's 8. So I'm going to put my 8 right here in the middle. Now I can do that. Now in my hundreds, I have 1 and I take away 1. How many do I have left? Yes, I have 0, so I can put my 0 down here. Now, do I have to put my 0 down here? No, but when you're just starting, I would recommend putting your 0 down there so you don't forget it. Okay, because we always work from this ones, then to the tens, and then to the 100s. So what is my answer? Yes, you're right, my answer is 81. Let's try another one. Okay, so here I have 7 in my ones, and I have 3. Can I take 3 away from 7? I can, can't I? Because my bottom isn't bigger. I don't have to borrow. So let's look here. 7 minus 3. What is that? You're right. 7 minus 3 is 4, so I'm going to put my 4. Now look here. My bottom is bigger. I better borrow. So I'm going to come over to my 4. I'm going to cross that 4 off and make it a 3. 1 less. You always make it 1 less. Then I'm going to bring that back and cross off my 0 and make it a 10. So now I can subtract. I have 10 and I want to take away 6. Can I do that? I can. So what is 10 minus 6? You're right, it's 4. So put that 4 in there. And now I have to go into my 100s. I'm not done yet. 3 minus 2. Can I do that? I can. So 3 minus 2, I'm going to take those away, and I know that they're neighbor numbers, so my answer has to be 1. So my answer to this problem is 144. All right, let's try one more here. Okay, so let's see. Try this. Can you do this? Always start in your ones. Bottom bigger is not bigger, so I don't have to borrow. So I can take 8 away. I can take 5 away from 8. 8 minus 5 is what? You're right, it's 3. Now look at your middle number here in your tens. Uh-oh, I see a problem. Bottom bigger, better borrow. Come to my 5. Make it a 4. Then I'm going to bring that back over here. So I'm going to put my 10 on top. So now I can take 10 minus 7. What's 10 minus 7? You're right, it's 3, isn't it? Okay, and now I come to my 100s. I'm not done yet. 4 minus 2, or 4 take away 2. I can do that. I know that's doubles fact, so I'm going to make my answer 2. All right, friends, remember you always start in your ones and then you move to the middle and you have to check, is bottom bigger? If bottom is bigger, I better borrow. Go over to the next one, cross it off and put your 10 and then you can subtract it that way. So today, friends, for your challenge, I'm going to put 2 problems on my board and I want you to try to solve these. Okay, I'm going to show you the problems. There's the first one. Okay, here's the next one. I'm going to do 3 problems today, and I want you to try to solve these. Ooh, I'm not writing very straight today. Let's try this again. There's the next one, and I have one last problem for you to try and solve. Okay, can you solve all 3 of those problems today? All right, friends, post them in the comments. Bye.